Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I got this pink Valentine's Day inspired makeup look. And if you want to know how I did this look, keep on watching. Please excuse the ensemble. So I already started prepping my face. I already did my primer, my brows, and my concealer. So now we're going to go in to the eyes. So for my eye makeup, I'm going to be starting off with the BH Cosmetics Take Me to Brazil palette. I love this palette because it has like so many colors, like all the colors you could think of. It's so pretty. So I'm going to start off with this color right here. The colors don't have names, so I'm just gonna have to point to them. I'm gonna start off with this kind of darkish hot pink, and I'm going to blend that out into my crease. So next I'll be taking a little bit of my concealer here and just putting that on my lid where I'm going to put my bright pink color. I'm using this concealer as a base just so that my pink color would really be vibrant and it'll make it pop. So now I'm going to be going in with this hot pink color at the top. As you can see, I have already done this eye, and I just wanted to show you how it would look right on top of the concealer. See how vibrant and bright it is. So I'm going to just pack it on top of my lid like I did on this one, and I'm going to do that for this eye. So next I'm going to be going in with the color Friday from the It's My Ray Ray BH Cosmetics palette. And I'm just going to put that right on the outer corner of my lid. Don't worry, we're gonna blend it out. But first, I do want to put in the color Midnight and put that right over top of Friday just to make it a little darker in the outer corners. And then I'm going to go over that brown one more time with the color Friday. Now we're gonna blend. So next I'm going to be taking the color Control Freak and putting that right above my crease. I like to add the color above my crease and the color for my brow bone before I blend it out. So now I'm going to be going into the color Pancake and putting that right under my brow bone. Now I'm going to go back and blend all that out. And now on to the rest of the face. So for my face today, I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauty foundation, and this is the color 390. I'm blending all that out with my Artiste No. 8 brush. now that my foundation is all blended out, I'm going to be going in with my concealer. I'm going to be going in with my Cover FX concealer in the color G60, and then I'm going to be following up with my ColourPop No Filter Concealer in the color Golden 40. So I'm going to be blending out my concealer with my Artis number 6 brush. So whenever I do use my Artis brush for my concealer, I do like to go over it with my beauty blender just to blend it in a little more. So before I finish contouring, I do like to set my face with my Laura Mercier medium deep powder, and I just put that all over my face. So now for my contour, I'm going to be using this Wilder powder that I have, and this is the color Rich Richie, and I'm just going to be using it to sculpt my face. So I'm just going to be lightly dipping my brush into the powder and then tapping some of the excess off. So I'm going to be creating a wing on my eyes for today, and I'm going to be using my BH Cosmetics black eyeliner pen. So now that my eyes are done, I'm going to be using my mascara, and this is the Benefit Bad Girl Bang mascara. So I start from the top and curl my lashes up, and then I go under. So now for my highlight today, I'll be going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Moonchild Glow Kit. And I'm going to be using the color Pink Heart. Go big or go home. Like, we're doing all pink today. All pink. So to finish off this pink look, of course I have to go in with some pink lip color. So this is the Kylie Cosmetics Liquid Lip color in the color Head Over Heels. So now that my makeup is complete, I'm going to show you the finished look once I do my hair, and I'll be right back. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And happy Valentine's Day. I hope you all enjoy your Valentine's Day, and I will see you next time. Bye!